Hello guys, once again welcome to my channel. Today we are again talking about my Alfa 156 and again about doors. More specifically, the door scrapers for the windows, for the glass of the doors. I'm starting the video from the end. It may seem a bit odd to do this, but I want you to see how it looks when it is all disassembled. It may be easier to understand what is going on here, and I will try to explain you now how do we remove this, but also I will show you how to remove it. But before that, I want to see here, if you recognize these are the scrapers, okay? And they are a profile of metal and rubber, vulcanized rubber, that fit on the door, on the metal part of the door, right on top. Now, as you have your profile here on top of the door, you want to first start to peel it out from the mirror side on the front door. To take out the mirror, I already did a video, I leave it up here. You want to take it out from this side, and as you are reaching this part of the door over here, can you notice these holes here, like key-shaped holes? These are very important to memorize. So I want you to take a picture of this, a screenshot if you will, okay? And you want to recognize this as your main concern when taking out the scrapers. So on the front scraper, you want to remove it almost all the way back. And then when you have it right here, right about here, you want to push your scraper in direction to the front of the car, okay? So your plastic tab that lives up here moves to that side. In that way you can remove it without damage anything. On the back door, it is a bit different. So you have a back bolt, on the front you don't have. You take out that bolt, then you start to take out your scraper all the way, and when you reach down there, it is the same story, but instead of pulling to the front of the car, you pull to the back of the car. So you can memorize it like this: on the back door to the back, on the front door to the front. After you remove the scraper, you may notice that the scraper becomes a little bit bent upwards because you are always trying to push it up, okay? And mainly on this part here, it really becomes bent. Try not to, when you are to assemble this, try not to force it down in order to make it back straight again. But try to, like this, bit after bit, try to make it in an arch. Because when once it becomes again attached to the door, it will become straight with the door. So bit by bit, just like this, okay? And on the back side here, try to bend it all the way as well. It is very fragile, so be careful. And I'm also using here a silicone grease on here to be easier to put in place. So now you have this white tab over here, okay, that you want to insert on the round portion of the hole, and then you want to push it back, okay, to be able to go in place. So it's not easy because you have to actually insert it on the back here. It's not wanting to be why it has to be lower, I think. Okay, that's it. You have to be much lower. And now, okay. So the bolt goes over here, right next to the end of this rubber part, and it is a bolt like this. This white paste is a ceramic paste grease. It is very good for this kinds of application, and the number of the socket is 3 millimeters, okay? Just insert that over there, or take it out if you want to take out. If it really becomes stuck in there, do not attempt to remove it by force, because you will break out the threading. Try to use some penetrating oil behind the sheet metal over here, and try to work it back and forward like this back, forward, until you are able to remove the screw or the bolt, okay? Now to take out this scraper, it's the same on the front, okay? You saw me mounting on the front. On the back door, it's the same thing, unless you have this bolt, okay? Now, to take out, you really need a plastic tool. I will do with this one because I don't have a plastic tool, but why do you need a plastic tool? Not to scrape your glass or your paint job or whatever. But let's try here. I don't have the screw over there, okay? So let's try to lift it up bit by bit. Okay, it is not easy. I am really struggling. Even with the silicone lubricant, it is not easy. Okay. On the back here, can you remember? Back door to the back. So let's pull on the scraper, like so. And it's off. And here you have it. How to remove your window scrapers from your Alfa 156 or any other model. On the Alfa 155 here it's the same thing. No screws, I believe. On the 33 is the same. On the 75, I don't know yet. It has those plastic trims, and I have to see how that goes. Yes, because I'm painting that car soon, I believe. I want to. I don't know. I'm buying 2 of these or 4 of these scrapers. Mine are, I know they don't exist anymore, but mine are becoming a little bit damaged. In here, in the back here, also here, right here. So I don't want to damage my door skins because of this. And if you have any for sale or know any for sale, I want to buy this, okay? I hope you like this video. I hope you like what I'm doing so far. I'm doing some experiments with my microphone. This microphone is not new, but the phone is. I am trying to see here the sound and the image and so forward. But I think I am able to do a better sound now because this phone accepts some more options on sound and thus making better videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you like to share with your friends, feel free to do so. See you next time, guys. Bye.